What's up, guys? It's Ricky here. So let's begin. Okay, let's start with boom and crash. Watch the video to the end. The following indicators will show you how to trade the financial markets. You're going to trade in the 1 minute time frame from boom index. All the indicators have to be red, and then you sell. For crash index, all the indicators have to be green. Then you buy. Green with a blue arrow, then red with a red arrow, of course. Now, to check the trend of the market, you have to go in the 5 minute, the 30 minute, and the 1 hour. Never trade against the trend of the market. For boom, the trend has to be in a downtrend. For crash, it has to be in an uptrend. And we're only going to stay in the market for less than 5 minutes for each trade. We only want 2 to 3 candles after this. After we wait for a spike, trade for 2 to 3 candles. Now, let's start. See the red arrow there? For boom index, all the indicators have to be red. Then we sell. There is pointing downwards. There is red. We enter there. We enter our sell. Very powerful indicator, guys. This indicator is very powerful. Let's check some more. We trade for less than 5 minutes on each trade after the spike. The red arrow there is pointing downwards. There is blue, so we don't enter. We only enter when all the indicators are red. That's for the boom. And we trade boom in a downtrend. This is a very powerful indicator, guys. Now let's check out some more. Okay. There. See that arrow is red. See, red, we enter. Lots of pips there. Look at all the pips we would have gained there. Same applies for here. There is red, there is red. We enter. There is pointing downwards. We enter our sell there and get our pips. It's a very powerful indicator, guys. Red arrow there, line pointing downwards, indicator is red there. We enter our sell and get our pips. This is a very powerful indicator. If you want to access to these indicators, hit me up in the link in the description below. This is for the crash index now. See our blue arrow there, our blue line there. This is for crash. We want to trade in an uptrend. We enter there. Our blue arrow, our green line, second line is pointing upwards. Our green line at the bottom there. We enter our buy. We go long. It's a very powerful indicator. See our blue arrow there. There downwards is the green line there. There down is also pointing upwards, but here it is green at the bottom, so we don't enter any of these three here. We're going to have more than I don't know how many more chances to enter the market in a day. This happens multiple times, so you don't rush. Just take proper risk management, and I guarantee you're going to get your pips. It's all about patience. There we enter. Blue arrow, green line. The line at the second bottom is pointing upwards. Green line at the bottom. Very powerful indicator. There we enter our buy. We go long on that one. And remember, guys, we only trade from 5 a.m. GMT to 8 a.m. GMT. You can calculate that in your local time. I don't know what time that is in your local time. And we use proper risk management. Now we check out the other index here. See our red arrow on the other index. There is pointing downwards. There at the bottom is red. We enter our sell. That's for the boom index. That's for the boom index. Don't trade all day 24/7. I know these indices are very tempting to trade 24/7, but the markets are prone to manipulation. Once the broker knows your strategy, you're going to enter losses. And never trade on the day of maintenance by your broker. Once they know your indicator and your strategy, then you're going to begin to make losses because the market is prone to manipulation. You only trade for 3 hours in a day, the 3 hours that I've told you. Now let's check out some more trades. See the red arrow there at the top. See that line is pointing downwards. See there is red. We enter our sell and get our pips. Stay in the market for less than 5 minutes. Only if your account is very big, you can stay more than that. Let's check out our other index here. This was our other index. Blue arrow there, green at the bottom. We enter our buy. We go long on that one and get our pips. Look at that. It was beautiful. Our blue arrow there, green at the bottom. We enter our buy. We get our pips. Very powerful indicator. If you want access to these indicators, hit me up in the link in the description below. I'll give them to you very cheaply. I know some people who accrue, they sell these indicators at high prices, but I'll give them to you very cheaply. See that red at the bottom there? We don't enter. We enter there where it was green, a bit further, further in front. Very powerful. Where else? Blue arrow there, green at the bottom. We enter. We go long. Now, if you want to other ways to make money, you can become a partner of the broker I'm going to show you. Become a partner of XM, and they pay you $25 per lot. If you don't have any funds in your account, get $30 free from XM and trading bonus.